Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School Toddi, Gundagorji. And today we will read the remaining question of miscellaneous exercise third. And let's start the next question. Question number 12. If matrix A is equal to 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3, then prove that first transpose of matrix A of transpose of matrix AT is equal to A. Okay. Transpose of matrix A is equal to 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. Left side LHS is equal to A power of T power of T is equal to A power of T is equal to 2 minus 1 0 1 0 1 1 2 3 power of T. It means transpose of matrix A 2 minus 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 3 implies left is equal to right. Okay. A matrix A. Next, second question. A plus transpose of matrix A is a symmetric matrix. A plus transpose of A is equal to 2 1 1 minus 1 0 3 2 0 1 3. Okay. Plus transpose of matrix A 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 4 0 1 0 0 3 1 3 9. Okay. A plus transpose of A. So definition of symmetric matrix. A is equal to transpose of matrix A. It means A is equal to A plus transpose of matrix A implies A plus transpose of matrix A of power T is equal to 4 0 1 0 0 3 1 3 9 of T. 4 0 1 0 0 3 1 3 9 is equal to A plus transpose of A. A plus transpose of matrix A power of T. It means so A plus transpose of matrix A is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, question number third and fourth. Next question. Question number 15. Matrix A is equal to -1 0 1 2 3 -2, and B is equal to 1 0 0 0 -1 2 0 5 7, and C is equal to -1 0 1. Then find elements of first row of matrix A, B, C. It means matrix A, B and C is equal to -1 0 1 2 3 -2 into 1 0 0 0 -1 2 0 5 7 into -1 0 1. Okay, matrix A into matrix B. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Okay, -1 into -1 -1 plus 0 into 1 into 0 0. It means -1. First row second column, -1 0 0 0 and 5. First row into third column, -1 0 0 0 into 2 0 1 into 7 7. Similarly, second row into first column, 2 into 2 2 3 0 2 0. It means 2. Second row second column, 2 into 0 0 3 into -1 -3 -10. It means -13. Second row third column, 0 3 into 2 6 -40. It means -6 plus 14. It means 8 minus into -1 0 1. Okay, again matrix A into matrix B. First row first column is equal to -1 -1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 7 -2 plus 0 minus 8 is equal, implies A B into C is equal to 8 minus 10. Element of element of first row of matrix A B C is equal to 8. Okay, next question. Question number 16. If matrix A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then find A into transpose of matrix A. Okay, so transpose of matrix A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, now A into transpose of matrix A is equal to cos theta sin theta cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Matrix A into ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. ओके, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta, and sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta and sin square theta plus cos square theta. A into transpose of matrix A. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cancel out 0, 0, 1. That is the answer. Okay, it means I2. Identity of matrix, order of 2 by 2. Question number 17. If 1x1 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2 5 1 2 3 is equal to 0, then find the value of x. Okay, now matrix A into matrix B into matrix C is equal to 0, then find the value of x. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Okay, 1 plus 4x plus 3, 2 plus 5x plus 2, 3 plus 6x plus 5 into 1 2 3 is equal to 0. It means 4x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 6x plus 8 into 1 2 3 is equal to 0. First row into first column, 4x plus 4 plus 2 into 5x plus 4, 10x plus 8 plus 3 into 6x plus 8, 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. Implies 4x plus 10x plus 18x is equal to 32x plus 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 24 is equal to 36 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 36 by 32. Implies x is equal to minus 9 by 8. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. Question number 18. If matrix B is equal to A, B, C, D, then prove that B square minus A plus D into B is equals to BC minus AD into I2, where I2 is equal to 1 0 0 1. Okay, left side is equal to B square minus A plus D into B is equal to B square, it means B into B, minus A plus D into B. Okay, B into B, A, B, C, D into A B C D minus A plus D into B A B C D is equal to first row into first column. It means A square plus BC. First row, second column, AB plus BD. Second row, first column, AC plus DC. Second row, second column, BC plus D square. Okay, minus plus A plus D multiply A multiply B multiply C multiply D. It means A into A square. It means minus A square minus AD minus AB minus BD minus AC minus DC minus AD minus D square. Okay, is equal to matrix A plus matrix B. A square plus BC minus A square minus AD. AB plus BD minus AB minus BD. AC plus DC minus AC minus DC. BC plus D square minus AD minus D square is equal to A square cancel out. It means BC minus AD. BC minus AD. Okay, 0. ACC cancel, DC cancel, it means 0. D square cancel, it means BC minus AD is equal to BC minus AD into matrix 1 0 0 1. Right side. It means left is equal to right. Hence proof. Okay. Question number 18 complete. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.